And doing a 13-13 1 back to another banger in production. We've got the Tomb of Ligeia, Vincent Price, Elizabeth Shepard. Ooh, guys, very scary movie. Vincent Price, Theater of Blood. Last Man on Earth, we have them both. Slipcover, man. And directed by Roger Corman, The Premature Burial. How mature is it? Premature. 1965, guys. One of the scariest films ever made, guys, considered by lots of people. The Tomb of Ligeia. Look how scary it freaking looks. It's like the Citizen Kane of Vincent Price films. Not really. Yeah. Actually, open it! Shit. That slip car's gonna break again! Yeah, randomly with Left Go Deep. Star C. I don't know some random movie we got.
We got Deep Star 6.
This is just the big. Oh, did you get Rawhead Rex? No, you didn't. You got scammed, right? Or something. Here it is, The Tomb of Ligeia. 1965, Vincent Price. Here it is, guys. Tomb of Ligeia. Vincent Price was in Edward Scissorhands. Oh, it's sad how mother has to speak the worst and condemn her own son. They'll see. Let them see what kind of a man I am. Person I am.
Well, not a man.
I don't care.
Magic guy.
Not inordinately. And bye.